everyone. Welcome to the US speaking test today. Alright, get started. What's your name?
My name is MINH.
How do you spell your name?
MINNIE.
Okay. How old are you?
I'm happy.
No, how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm good.
What do you like to eat?
I'm eat chocolate.
Okay. Do you like to eat fruit?
Yes, I do.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing pink dress.
Okay, very good. So now, what can you see in the picture?
Alice like vegetable and fruit. Brian like cookies. Emma like chocolate.
What is the girl doing?
Girl like soda.
Oh, she likes sugar. What is he doing?
He's like popcorn.
Okay, very good. And are they happy? Are they happy?
Yes,
Yes, they.
yes they are.
Okay, very good. Sarà che quindi era